right. What's going on, crew? So, hey, today, guys, we're gonna take Blue Ash out. We're gonna hit up this car show today, and I tell you what, it's another hot day today. Of course, you guys know we did not go to the car show yesterday because of the rain. So it is the next day here, guys, and we're gonna hopefully hit up this cruise in car show over at my buddy's place named Mike. He does a lot of charitable events for Cruising for Kids. I am a sponsor for Cruising for Kids and stuff, so we're gonna go and show him some love. And of course, you see old Blue Ash back there in the background, and you guys see old Midnight. Yep, that's what we're calling her. Y'all know I told find out names, so we had a few people, a few of my subscribers sending a few names, and I think I picked Midnight. Midnight is gonna be a good one here, but we're gonna take old Blue Ash out here, guys. I didn't really get to clean her up too much, so I'm gonna have to work with what I got right now. You guys will be seeing a lot of her now, and also of the 47. So let's go ahead and get back into this video, guys, and I'm gonna turn you guys back on once I get out there towards the car show, and I may turn you guys back on just to let you guys know what CJ the Cigar Man got going on for you guys in the future. And I tell you what, I got my sweat rag, boy, because it is gonna be a hot one. So I'll get back with you guys in a second. There we go. Try to get you guys a better shot. Might live right up in the sticks, boy. This is what I do to try to get you guys good footage, man. I'm telling you. Get that good content. All right, guys. So we're gonna go in here today. I'm gonna actually go ahead and register my vehicle today. So I guess this is all the stuff that they're gonna be giving out. Street rod. And Chevrolet. Pretty cool. Alright, guys, I think we're gonna see all these up here. Hey guys, we've had a good time so far. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. So we got a lot of good content, a lot of good footage, guys. So this one pulling in. Got that mouth sitting low. Got that mouth sitting low. Look at that, look at moonshine up in here. Right there. Gummy Bear Reaper.
Yep.
Okay, so just like it said, it sounds right.
Oh,
Gummy Bear Reaper. All right, man. So you got some shout outs. You guys go subscribe to Gummy Bear Reaper, guys. All right, go subscribe to his Instagram page. Nice talking to you, brother. Hey, man, I appreciate you guys. We got a lot of great people out here, man. A lot of people.